As you come in through the front door, you walk into the foyer, which leads to the upstairs where all the bedrooms are, and also the view of the living room. Kitchen was recently updated. Saw closed cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Perfect little area for a breakfast nook, a little breakfast table. Then over on this side, you actually have a very large dining room. Both dining room and living room give you a nice view to a large patio in the back. There's a half bathroom located on the first floor between the living room and kitchen. Nice updates. Plantation style doors. Good spacious 2-car garage. Home also includes hurricane panels, as you can see there. And the washer and dryer are located in the garage. From the foyer, you can go up to the second floor, where you'll have the master bedroom. We'll start off in this bedroom over here, just to the right. Start off in one of the bedrooms. Give you a nice perspective. This is actually the front of the house. Very good size bedroom with its very own walk-in closet. Again, not sure if you can tell from this video, but it's actually a very good size walk-in closet for one of the bedrooms. Another bedroom in the house. This one also is facing the front of the house, as you can tell from the window, to give you a perspective of where we are. And also features a walk-in closet. Nice wood floors. Nice size bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Beautiful tray ceilings. We are now facing the back or the west side of the house. The master bathroom, double vanity sinks, beautifully, tastefully done. Your toilet, nice large shower. We head back out. Even though it's got a westerly view, it gives good light, but not a lot of heat in the evenings or in the afternoon. And a very large walk-in closet with double entry. A lot of rack space, a lot of room. Come out of the master bedroom. To your right is basically the front of the house and a staircase to go back down. That's one bedroom down there you see. That's another bedroom. And over to my left is the fourth bedroom of the house. And this is also facing west or the back side of the house. Tastefully decorated. Side-by-side closet. Crown moldings. Walk out, back into the hallway. We go into the second bathroom. Features a tub. As you walk back out of the bedrooms or the bathroom on the second floor, it's your view back out to the front door. Beautiful chandelier greets you in the foyer.